Alright guys, welcome to part 2 of these Tupac inspired customs. On part 2 we're just gonna jump straight in, no introduction. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off with the jeans. First thing I did was put the base layer, which was blue, then started adding some darker blue for the shadows and wrinkles in the pants. Now I'm working on the highlights of the jeans. Give it a variety of colors. Now we're working on the skin tones first. At first what I did was add the base layers and then started to go darker. Now adding some highlights. Now we're working on the black vest. Now it might be hard to tell what I'm working on right now, but I'm actually working on his shoes, which I thought was a good idea to just leave it as the natural color of the Timbs. Now working on the environment around the silhouette. Now here's a real time of me actually painting. Slow and steady. Now working on the papers and the environment, which is just a basic white with a couple layers. Now working on the American flag in the background. As you can see, the environment is now coming into fruition. Adding some shadows. Now working on some creative aspects. Right here I'm using the stencils to put gold lettering and numbers.
Thank you so much for finishing my video. I deeply appreciate it a lot. Anyways, go ahead in the comment section below, tell me how you feel about the video, and also express to me what you guys want to see more. Do you guys want to see more customs? Do you guys want tips? What do you guys want to see in the next video? And also guys, don't forget to head to my Instagram where I post custom videos, shirts, a lot of stuff, so don't miss out on that, guys. Go ahead, head to my Instagram. Hope you guys have a blessed year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. All right, guys, I hope you guys have a blessed year.